Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your Bigo Live ID. Go to the chat options which is seen in the bottom of your screen. Click on it and press on the top corner and click on Edit Information. Press on Edit Information, scroll a bit down until you see Bigo ID. Click on it and you must write down the valid ID and you must make it unique in order to people to find you. After writing in a unique ID, click on Save and you can change your Bigo ID. You must also note that you can't always change your Bigo ID. Once it is set, it cannot be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.